Canva account registration, new Canva account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can register for a new Canva account, so make sure to stick with me till the end. If you want to register for a Canva account, you can open up the Canva application that you can find over here. Once you launch a Canva app, you will see this type of interface over here. Now, the easier way to create an account would be to directly link with Google or Facebook. That is one of the options if you want to. But if you want to create an independent account, tap on continue another way. Then you'll have more options, but I will just select continue with email. So once you select continue with email, you first have to choose an email address that you would like to use for your Canva account over here. Then once you select the email you want to use with Canva, tap on continue. Then it will send a verification code. Then all you have to do is enter the name and tap on create your account. Then enter the verification code. Then finish writing your password. And once you create your password, your Canva account will get successfully registered. But as I said, you can also just go ahead and continue with any of these options. You can link with Microsoft, Facebook, or Google. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.